Question number 40. Mr. X receives the following emoluments during the previous year. Basic pay rupees 12 lakhs, commission rupees 6 lakhs, entertainment allowance rupees 60,000. X contributes rupees 1,50,000 towards provident fund. Okay, employees contribution. Employer makes matching contribution, which means 1,50,000 is also paid by the same amount paid by employer as well. Interest credited in the provident fund account at 10.5% is 42,000 rupees. Okay. Interest on the 9 point unrecognized. Okay, compute his salary income if X is a government employee and the provident fund is SPF, statutory. Okay. X is an employee, so it does not mean that if he is a government employee, it is supposed to be a statutory provident fund. Is that what it is meaning? No. There should be some different cases as well that we are not aware of at this point in time, but we will get to a clarity sometime later. X is an employee of a ABC Limited private company and the provident fund is a recognized provident fund, which is RPF. X is an employee of a PQR private limited. This is not PVR cinemas. This is PQR private limited and the provident fund is URPF, unrecognized provident fund. Okay. So looking at it. So now we know, okay, write the headings: government employee, non-government employee, non-government employee, statutory PFs, RPF, recognized provident fund, unrecognized provident fund. Basic 12 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 12 lakhs. Where it is given? Given in the question. 12 lakhs basic pay. Commission 6 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 6 lakhs. Earned allowance 60,000, 60,000, 60,000. Employer contribution. As you read it from the chart, for statutory PF, it is exempt. It is clearly mentioned. It is exempt. Unrecognized provident fund, it is exempt for now, but once you receive lump sum after retirement, this is employer's contribution taxed under the head of salary, and interest on the provident fund, it is taxed under the income of other sources. That is something we have already discussed. But to calculate recognized provident fund, 12% of the salary, about 12% of the salary is taxable. What is 12% of salary? 12 lakhs. First we have to calculate. Okay, go to the note 1 now. Note 1. Salary is basic plus DA forming from sales commission. Basic plus DA forming from sales commission. Okay, the salary formula differs. Sometimes we use 6 items like bonus and fees and allowances to the extent possible. And commissions and our basic and DA forming and whatnot, and sometimes we use only basic and DA forming and sales commission. This is something we have to get a clarity. I should ask somebody who is knowledge enough. So now DA forming and sales commission is 0. 12 lakhs is what? Salary. Now that we know salary, what is 12%? Employee's contribution is 1,50,000 rupees. This is given in the question. 12% of the salary, 12% of 12 lakhs is 1,44,000. And if you deduct 144 from 150, which is 6,000, excess is taxable because about 12% is what taxable. That is where they have come to this number, 6,000 rupees. Okay. Interest on PF account. Interest on PF account. Interest on PF account. Interest on PF account, statutory exempt. In case of unrecognized provident fund, exempt. But here 9.5% above the contribution. What is contribution? 150. Is it right? The contribution is 1. Okay, 10.5. Note 2. Is it note 2? Is it note 2? Yes, it is note 2. Interest on PF account. The interest on PF account. X contributes 1,50,000. No, that is not okay. The interest credit is 10.5%, that is 42,000. If 10.5% is 42,000, how do you calculate? Above 9.5% is what? Taxable. So 1%, we want to know the 1% of the amount. So 10.5 is 42,000. So we know that 9.5 is exempted. So we have to know. We want to calculate 1%. So 42,000 multiplied by 1 by 10.5. How we got this formula? This is something we'll have to discuss again. Or we need to get clarity. For that, simply for the sake, if you want to remember, 42,000 is 10.5. If you want to know 1%, just do 1 by 10.5. 1 by the amount. You will get 1%. 1% formula is very simple. 1% formula is equal to total amount divided by 1 by 10.5, which is 4,000. This is why that is how they put this number here, 4,000 rupees. So now the gross salary is 1860, 1860, 1870. This RPF alone is changing. They are following OTR 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. And entertainment allowance is 5,000 nil. Why? Government employee, for only government employees 5,000 as entertainment allowance is allowed. For private company it is not allowed. Income from salary is 18,05,000. And deduction under 80C should be added while calculation of total income, not on income from salary. So the question is simply asked, compute his salary, income from salary. They did not ask for total income. So had they asked for total income, we should have deducted 80C, that whatever amount that they are paying. 80C, is that given in the question? 80C, yes. Is that given in the question? 80C contributes towards provident fund, compute his salary income if blah 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 blah. Okay. No, it is not given. Okay, that's it. Should we move on to the next question? How the entertainment allowance is calculated? Because max limit is 5,000, entertainment allowance received is 60,000, and 20% of basic is 2,40,000. Whichever is less, what is less? 5,000. That is how they have come to the number 5,000 rupees. Let's discuss to the, we'll move on to the next.